Student, in this video we will do the exercises of chapter 2. First, multiple choice questions. Rocks break into smaller pieces due to A. Force of flowing water, B. Weather changes, C. Force of wind, D. All of these. So right answer is all of these. हम यहाँ D पर टिक करेंगे. Second, which of these does not cause soil erosion? A. Flowing water, B. Wind, C. Pollution, D. Deforestation. यहाँ हम C. Pollution पर टिक करेंगे. Soil erosion of river banked by the fast moving water can be best controlled by A. Afforestation, B. Step farming, C. Building embankments, C. Covering with dry vegetation. The right answer is C. Building embankments. Fourth, soil erosion of farms in hilly areas due to flowing rainwater can best be controlled by A. Afforestation, B. Step farming, C. Building embankments, D. Covering with dry vegetation. The right answer is step farming. B. Step farming. Fifth, which of these can be caused by soil erosion? A. Flooding of rivers, B. Spread of deserts, C. Loss of fertility, D. All of these. यहाँ D all of these पर हम टिक करेंगे. Sixth, which of these causes of soil erosion is not due to human activities? A. Deforestation, B. Fast flowing rivers, C. Overgrazing by cattle, D. Farming. Right answer is B. Fast flowing rivers. B पर टिक करें. 2. Put right for true and wrong for false. ट्रू सेंटेंस के लिए हमें राइट टिक करना है एंड फॉल्स सेंटेंस के लिए क्रॉस लगाना है. लॉन्ग अगो देयर वॉज ओनली सॉइल इन ऑन द अर्थ एंड नो रॉक्स. दिस इज रॉन्ग सेंटेंस, सो हम यहाँ पे क्रॉस लगाएंगे. सेकेंड, सॉइल प्रोवाइड्स अस विथ फूड, क्लॉथिंग एंड शेल्टर. राइट, सो हम यहाँ पे राइट टिक करेंगे. Third, the faster the flow of water, the more soil erosion it causes. This is right sentence, so यहाँ पे हम right टिक करेंगे. Fourth, afforestation reduces soil erosion. यहाँ हम right टिक करेंगे. Fifth, in farmland most erosion occur after a crop is harvested. यहाँ भी right टिक करेंगे. Sixth, if topsoil is eroded from land, it becomes infertile. Right? Seventh, water and air cause both soil formation and soil erosion. ये भी right sentence है, so यहाँ भी right टिक करेंगे. Third, name these. First, water or wind carrying away soil. Water और wind soil को कैरी कर दूर ले जाते हैं, तो इसका हमें नेम बताना है सॉइल इरोजन. सेकेंड, क्लियरिंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट बाय कटिंग डाउन ट्रीज, डिफॉरेस्टेशन. थर्ड, प्रोटेक्टिंग सॉइल फ्रॉम इरोजन, सॉइल कंजर्वेशन. These are made along river bank to prevent soil erosion by flooding. हमें नेम बताना है कि रिवर बैंक्स पर जो सॉइल जो इरोजन होती है फ्लड के थ्रू, तो उसका जो एक प्रिवेंट है वो किसके थ्रू हो सकता है, उसका रुकाव किसके ज़रिए किया जा सकता है. तो राइट आंसर इज एम्बैंकमेंट्स. फिफ्थ, द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव मेथड ऑफ सॉइल कंजर्वेशन. तो राइट आंसर इज अफॉरेस्टेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, हाउ इज सॉइल फॉर्म्ड? Soil is formed by breaking of rocks into small pieces due to water, wind and weather changes. Question number 5. How is soil useful to us? Answer. Soil is important for us. We depend on the soil for food, clothing and shelter. Question number 6. How does water cause erosion? When it rains, some rainwater soaks into the ground and some evaporates. The rest of rainwater flows over the land. As it flows, it takes soil along with it and thus causes soil erosion. Question number 7. In what ways are humans responsible for increase in soil erosion? Some activities of humans such as deforestation and farming have increased soil erosion. Question number 8. List the ways in which soil is eroded. Running water and fast moving wind cause soil erosion. The activities of humans such as deforestation and farming have increased soil erosion. B. Conserved. Soil is conserved by afforestation, stir farming in hills, growing cover crops and by building embankments on rivers. Question number 9. How does step farming prevent soil erosion? To reduce soil erosion, farming in hilly areas is done by cutting steps in the slopes. This reduces the speed with which the water flows down. Also, some of soil eroded from one step get deposited on the next step. The soil erosion is considerably reduced. Do these exercises in your copy.